Hey, welcome to Beyond the Oak Woodworking. My name is Jordan, and today I'm going to show you how I built this planter box using nothing more than cedar fence pickets. If you are wondering the measurements I'm cutting at, don't worry. The build plans are very detailed and provide each one of these measurements, and you can find those plans in the video description. Now to begin assembly, take 2 of the 1 1/8 inch legs and lay them with the nice smooth side face down. Apply a bead of glue and then grab 2 of the 14-inch walls and lay those in the face down position as well while flushing those up against the edges of the legs. Fasten these parts together by applying 1-inch 18-gauge brad nails. Repeat these same steps to make another side assembly. Now take the 1 3/4 inch legs and fasten those to the sides of the 1 1/8 inch legs with glue and brad nails. With 2 of the sides completed, I can now stand those up and assemble the other 2 walls for the box. I applied a bead of glue and inserted the wall pieces that are 12 3/4 inches and fastened those with 1-inch brad nails. Now it's time to work on the bottom. I used a 5/8 inch piece for a cleat and assembled it on the walls that are 14 inches long. Make sure you get this step right, otherwise your bottom planks won't be long enough when you go to assemble those. To assemble the bottom planks, apply some glue on top of those cleats you just installed and slide the planks down into the box. As you may have noticed, I wanted the middle piece to provide a gap on each side so there would be access for water drainage. You could also drill some holes in the bottom if you wanted. To add a little bit of character to the planter box, I decided to add some rails to the top and bottom of the walls. After cutting these pieces to length, you could probably guess at this point on how I assembled those. If you're enjoying this video, I would really appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe and thumbs up button, as it would really help my channel out. Shoot, even leave me a comment if you'd like. To finish off this planter box, I needed to add the top trim. So I took a 1 3/4 inch strip to the miter saw and began cutting a 45-degree angle on each end. To align the pieces to the box, take the inside corners of the 45-degree miter and position those on the inside corners of the planter box as you see here. Then grab some glue and go around the top of the box and begin fastening the trim with brad nails. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the build, and don't forget about the build plans that are in the video description. The Bible verse for this video will be Romans chapter 12 verses 2. Don't copy the behavior and customs of this world, but let God transform you into a new person by changing the way you think. Then you will learn to know God's will for you, which is good and pleasing and perfect. Thanks again for watching.